Divide 952 by 8 in a long division method. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting, we get 7. So again we put down these 2 and it is 72. So 8 times 9 is 72. On subtracting we get 0. So 952 divided by 8 is 119. So this much for today and thanks for watching.